The use of artificial intelligence is fast changing the way we work and live. AI has become crucial for many businesses, from chatbots and VAs to data analyses to machine learning. But have you ever realized that AI can also be a lucrative source of revenue? Keep on watching this video to find out how. Artificial intelligence gives us countless innovative ways to reduce our workload and gain time at work. AI is now more widely available in the corporate world, opening up new revenue streams for freelancers and small business owners. In the digital economy, AI has become mainstream, paving the way for a plethora of new ways for people to increase their income, including chatbots, virtual assistants, machine learning, and data analysis. With the help of cutting-edge AI tools, even the technologically inexperienced among us can become extremely wealthy. These AI programs provide ways to increase productivity, optimize processes, and boost your bottom line. Smart and powerful AI technologies will help you stay competitive in this digital age, whether you want to use AI to launch a new career or supplement your income. There is a significant demand for AI across different industries, so if you or someone you know can build AI software, you're ahead of the game. Around 56% of respondents recently reported AI adoption in at least one function, up to 50% in 2020. AI capabilities are in demand across industries from gaming to robotics, speech recognition to search engines, so the world is your oyster. Use your skills to capture an untapped market area and build a business plan to maximize its potential. If you need an investor, why not get in touch? Well, by using chatbots like ChatGPT, you can easily produce engaging social media content to advertise your affiliate website. ChatGPT lets influencers who already get income from social media to produce more impactful content more quickly. You can market your services as a social media manager to other businesses using ChatGPT as your assistant. It takes special knowledge to use ChatGPT to produce the proper kind of material. The more capabilities the software has, the more valuable and in demand the talent will be. AI may be the ideal tool if you're wanting to generate money with web design. If you get a ton of creative inspiration from AI-generated web design layouts and concepts. AI can even automate some of the most time-consuming tasks in web design, such as making wireframes and prototypes. With the help of AI automation, you can quickly create a landing page for your website by giving us ideas for layouts and designs. AI can also inspire UI/UX design, assisting us in building more logical and user-friendly websites. So basically, AI has the potential to be a terrific tool for site designers trying to earn money online. By selling AI-driven data, you can make money utilizing ML in yet another fantastic way. You could consider extracting and selling the massive volumes of data that machine learning can easily provide, since businesses require data for decision-making. Just like a human brain, AI functions. It is capable of understanding audio-visual components and adjusting to new information. An artificial intelligence system feeds on dynamic and comparable learning data from text, audio, and video. Even though access to such data is pricey, you may make money off of it by selling it to knowledge-based organizations and research foundations. When transferring such data for cash, you could need to engage agency services to guarantee privacy, security, accountability, correctness, and dependability. AI is a useful tool if you want to monetize your video creation. AI tools like Pictory, Runway ML, and Murph can be used to speed up editing. Also, many AI SEO tools are on the market to help its users rank high in the search results and grow their online presence faster. So basically, more content and traffic may result in better monetization opportunities and increased income through affiliate marketing or advertising. But how exactly can machine learning help you create better content? Well, first, this tool analyzes and gathers your topic's most relevant keywords, allowing you to drive targeted traffic and increase conversions. Second, this tool lets you discover content ideas and build a content strategy to deliver the most relevant content to your audiences. Learning machine learning is rather simple because so many online resources are available, including professional masterclasses. Enrolling in such programs can definitely help you improve your knowledge and prepare for the workplace. What are your thoughts on this? Let us know in the comments below, and please, if you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you want to watch more insightful videos, click on your screen now and we'll see you there. Thanks for watching.